servant boys perform the Abhishek. First of all, they bathe Krishna with Maha Oshadi, herbal water, medicinal water. Then they gradually, with Panchagavya, 5 products, and then Panchamrit, and 100 jugs of water. Then a Sahasra Padmajal, 1,000 streams of water. And finally, Shankodaka. Odaka means rivers. Odak. It's one of the stages of Bahudak. 4 types of sannyas. There's Kutichak, Odak, Paribrajak, and Paramahams. 4 types of sannyas. And the 4 types of brahmachari, 4 types of sannyas, 4 types of grihast. This is told in the Bhagavatam, 11th canto. 4 stages. Kutichak, Odaka, Paribrajacachari, and Paramahams. Anyway, so a huge conch shell full of all sacred rivers. That's the last thing. And so then they dry him off and dress him in his pitambara. After which Krishna sits down. Radharaman is wearing pitambara, you can see in the temple. He sits down on a jeweled seat on his Shringar Vedi. Now I sit down to get ornamented and dressed. Where he's ornamented by his servants. In Nandalai, that means the palace. Nandalai, Krishna sits in the Shringar, and they decorate his hair and place a golden, jeweled studded crown with peacock feathers on his head. More mukutmani. They apply Gorachan tilak, yellow-green tilak on his forehead, and leaf pictures on his cheeks, and hang a pearl under his nose, and makara kundala, and a jeweled necklace around his neck, and angada ornaments on his arms, and bangles on his wrist, and a sash of small bells around his waist, and jeweled ankle bells on his feet. Bhaguri Rishi worships Krishna 7 times with durva grass. That's in the observing of Janmashtami. You're supposed to offer 7 blades of durva. This grass is growing here, it's mixed, but a lot of it's durva grass. Durva Rishi. So he does artik with the durva grass. It's a very common thing. Auspicious, mangala cheese, mangala item, mangala upachar. And all the Brahmins offer blessings. Ayushman Bhavatu, Sharir Mast Bhavatu,